Hello everyone, welcome to your Ignition Martial Arts tutorial. I am Alvin Brown, owner of Ignition Martial Arts Academy. This tutorial is going to be one of many tutorials that will be filmed throughout San Diego, which is where our martial arts school is located. Although this tutorial is a very powerful tool, it is not meant to replace your in-person class training, so make sure you attend your classes regularly to accompany this tutorial. That being said, let's get to the video. Okay everyone, today we'll be going over the traditional form of Yul Gok. This will be one of the very first forms that our students will be exploring once they hit intermediate, which for our system is green belt. Now the form has 36 movements. The definition is, it is the pseudonym of great philosopher and scholar Yi, nicknamed the Confucius of Korea. The diagram represents scholar. Now this form has a few side kicks, various angles, so this will be a really great form for competition, but it'll also be a good form to challenge the students. Now, as we've said before, there are many different videos and tutorials on this particular form, so there are different variations that you can explore. Now, this form is for Ignition martial arts students, so a lot of times you'll see different variations, but overall the form is pretty much the same across the board. So that being said, we're going to go ahead and get into the breakdown of the overall form. So we're going to start with our traditional bow, go into our traditional ready stance, and from there we're going to go straight into a tension punch step to the left into a horse stance, tension punch, followed by 2 rapid fire punches. Then we're going to slide to our right, same horse stance, doing the same 3 techniques. From there we're going to go 45 degrees into a front stance, middle block, back leg front kick, followed by lead punch, reverse punch. Then we're going to step 45 degrees to our left, doing the exact same techniques. After we do that, we're going to turn our body to the center, front stance, tension block right off the left arm. Then we're going to go off the right arm, followed by a lead punch, step forward, keeping that hand out, doing those same techniques with the tension blocks into the lead punch. Then we're going to step forward into one more lead punch, which is going to lead us into a turning side kick, followed by a front stance elbow smash with a kia. Then from there, we're going to slide that back leg in, do a side kick, step into a front stance, elbow smash. Then from there, we're going to go into a square block knife hand, going to our left, into a slap down spear hand front stance. Then we're going to turn 180 degrees, doing the exact same techniques. From there, we're going to turn to the back, turn 90 degrees to the left, outer middle block, reverse punch in a front stance, step forward, doing those same techniques with the right front stance. From here, we're going to do a skipping into an X stance, back fist. From here, turn, we're going to go into a front stance, 2-hand block, slide together, front stance, 2-hand block. From here, turn to the front into our chumbi or our ready stance, slide together, attention, and bow. And that concludes our form. Thank you so much for watching.